Here is how to download and fill your iTax Excel form using your P9 step by step. Choose the year that you want to file for. That is from January 2024 to December 2024. Then under this section of the steps to follow, go to step number 5. You check this is the downloadable Excel that you want to use. Click there. So once you click, it will open for you the Excel form that you are supposed to use. So next, using the P9 slip from your employer, carefully enter all the income, payee, and allowances into the Excel sheet. So what we'll do, we have our P9 in hand. So we'll go to our P9 and enter these details. So number 1, you check the PIN, your PIN number. This is just a dummy illustration. So get your PIN number from the P9. That's how the P9 looks like. Come here, insert your PIN number. Now once you come onto this page, you get the tax payable amount. You have to check at your form again. Check the tax payable here amount, which is 149,512. So you come to your form and fill that part, 149,512. Okay, then go to amount of tax paid by the company or the pay as you earn, which is 120. As you can see here, it's payee 127.12. So that's the amount you indicate here on your form, which is 127.12, and then you get a balance of 28,800, as you can see. So that's the same amount of figure which is called personal relief that you're entitled to as an insurance relief every year, 28,800. So once you have filled your form to that point, what you do, you go to next. Then there's nothing to fill here. You go to next, and then you come at this point. You get your amount of NSSF paid, as you can see here. The pension paid by the company, 12,960. So you come to your table, you include it there, 12,960, and that is it. Once you include that amount there, you confirm everything is okay. Everything is okay. Once all the figures are okay, you are supposed to have a tax due of 0. You're not supposed to owe the KRA anything if you file according to your form, to your P9 form. So everything is okay once you don't have any any amount here, and then you go ahead and validate. If you want to generate upload file, you click yes, and then of course you give it time to generate. Follow us at RM Accounting Solutions for more tax and small businesses finance tips. Please don't forget to like, to comment, and to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.